Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully. So today I wanted to show you the products that I got for my blog post and my product photography for digital products video at the dollar store. So I spent $13 and some odd cents including tax. And I got a bunch of styling props. So first I got the background, which is this poster board trifold thing. And yes, I'm using it a little bit as a white background so that I can eventually use a site like PhotoFuse to pull out all the white. But at the end of the day, I'm also using it to bounce light back from this window. So I have a Florida home and the overhangs on our windows are huge. And so I don't get a ton of light into my house. Now I do have a light over here, but that's going to cast more of a yellow glow. And I want really bright sunlight. So I could either use just a plain white foam core board, or I can use this kind of trifold that sort of traps the lighting in here. Now what I need to do is also pull that over so we don't have that shadow in the corner, but that's easy enough to do. And then what you want to do is you want to take a very plain item. Now I wrote on that, but if you thought about it, if you just snapped a picture of that white on white on white, even if you put it on a really cool background, which I do for some of them, it could be, but if you take these styling props and just plop them over here, you want to do it kind of haphazardly, and then put a couple of colored pencils in for color, and then do your paper clippies. These are all sort of, you know, items that you can put in, and then you snap that picture. What you're trying to do is to get that, 2 to 3 second reaction, whether they're seeing it in your Etsy store feed, on your Shopify site. You're trying to paint that picture that if they buy your digital product, this is the kind of lifestyle they're going to have. And so that is what I'm trying to do. This is part of a post where I detail, you know, the different bits and pieces of what I purchased and how I'm using them. And so I will put a link to that below. If you like videos like this about product photography or selling on Etsy, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you could hit the thumbs up. Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully.